So my people, I'm on a timber yard. You see, this one is natural. Nobody planted it. It planted itself here. We call it manago here. I don't know at your place how you call it, man. So sometimes I will be using leaf identifier to know about these plants, you know. So this is timber yard, yeah. And today I want to prepare the seeds of the gourd. Today I want to fry seeds of gourd today here. See, these are seeds of gourd. These are gourd seeds, this one. See, you have a oil here and you have a frying pan here. So we have the water here and we also have gourds here. So you want to wash these gourds. Na boys come kuja muweke kokoto hapa. Kuja. So when you want to wash this gourd, you just boil water. Water is boiling there. Water is boiling there. See? So now, ile kidogo kidogo, the fine embarrassed. Ile kidogo kidogo tu. Kidogo kidogo. Then mnaenda muweke changarawe, sawa? Weka moja moja tu. So we put the ballast. We wash it with the ballast and sand. That's what we do to wash the gourd, so that it may be ready for milk, you know. So there will be a big process. So from the preparation, whatever we do, up to the day now, we put milk. So I'll be washing them. Then when the milk is available, I'll come and show you how we do about it. So everything preparation, everything I'm gonna show you, my people, never worry. So that's what we do. The boys now they are adding sand. So we use ballast and sand and hot water to wash. That is the process of washing. Let me see. That's enough, man. Ongeza tu kidogo. Nice. Ongeza changarawe kidogo tu. That's nice now. Natafuta nini? So my people, this is boiling water. I'm boiling water to wash my gourds here. So I need to wash my gourds, and we don't apply soap. Sometimes you may apply soap, but because now they are specifically for milk, we just put ballast and sand. So my boy, had the handle here for me. Na usishike pande hii, kuna kamera iko pande hii, shikilia hapo chini. Hii mkono mwingine shika tu, ina shida hiyo. Hii angalia hapa hakuna nini. So I'm teaching my boy that way. Nikiketi hapa chini huko unaniona. Usiangalie huko mbinguni, usiangalie mawingu. Unaniona? Kamera ifike hapa. Unaniona? Unaona hapa? Unaona kile nafanya hapa? So I'm training my boy. Now this is some hot water. There's water. I've just put some hot water here inside and other outside. I'm having challenge of this is a process of washing. This is how we wash the gourd, and we also remove the outer cover. This outer cover is not needed. This outer cover. So this is a process of, you know, that's why we put water like this, so that we may remove this one. This outer cover is unwanted. This outer cover is unwanted. So that's how we wash it. Some people may use the stone. I don't have the good specific stone for this job. So this one is for millet. So my mom will choose one. So I'm doing it for the family. So they will choose which will be good for them. So I just toss the two for them. That's what's going on. That's what we do. We also have seeds here. You will be trying the seeds of the gourd, so you will be seeing the importance of this, importance of the gourd and everything. So remove the outer cover. Some people do decorate, and sometimes I will add value. I will do value addition of this. So I will be decorating and selling to people and to the curious, you know. So I will consider planting more of these so that I may decorate and show you carabashes and I give you these. Because also the carabash is also used as a dish. You can use it as a bowl. You put your food, you eat everything. It's a multi-purpose thing. No worry. It's a multi-purpose thing. It's a multi-purpose thing. And this gourd was the one only used for fetching water at the shrine. Shrine, this was only one allowed. You cannot, no other utensil. So this one from the farm was the one accepted by the shrine. They fetch water from the spring. You know, they fetch water from the spring, my people. From the spring. So my people, this one is alive. See now the color has changed.
Yes.
So now we are going again here. You see the status of the gourd. So I will show you the final product. So there will be also that it will be washed again with the wire, something like that. Washed inside. So this is the process one. See me here. See me here. What to do? What you wash the gourd. You make a warm water, not hot water. This one you make sure it is warm. And you sprinkle it. Outer layer to be easy for you. This is outer layer or outer cover, whichever. See? So you want to give it another color. So this one is very smooth. This is rough. And it will contaminate dirtiness. You know? So with this one, if you wash, it comes good. You wipe. So it's nice. So it's only 199. Come nearby. Yeah, come closer here. See my people. These are preparation of gourd, milk gourd. So I will be showing you the end product. These are village pipes, man. Village pipes. You know? See the color is changing, my people. See the color? I will be showing you the end product. Let me have my boy here cut. Cut. So now that is the status of my gourds. See? The status of my gourds here. Status. See? So there will be round 2, round 4 minutes, but now, to me that is good for me now. So I will be washing inside now and I make the seeds now, I cook the seeds. So I will just wash round 1, round 2, the other people will wash it now. So that was mine, my round 1 was my job. So if they don't like the status they are here now, they will finish up now. Because the women do know more about this. But you know, I do every job. So my people, I want to soak these seeds, I want to wash them. Yeah, before we never used to wash them. But I just want to try if we wash what will happen. Before we never used to wash, you see? Because we gourd are inside the gourd, no? So nothing bad could contaminate with the seeds, you know. So before there was no washing, but I want to wash. So I've just kept others for planting. So I've just kept others for planting. So my boy here is handing some maize cob. I told you maize cob are good firewood. they rate a very good firewood. So I don't put my job in hard labor. I just show them and demonstrate, because one day they will come to do it into practice. See, they will come to do it into practice. See, so never worry. They will come to put it into practice. Whatever they see. He's 10 years old, Peter. So I want to see. Before I said we never used to wash them, but I've washed. I want to see what will happen. I've washed. These are seeds. These are gourd seeds. So they are not what? They are not pumpkin or something like that. They are not pumpkin. It's gourd, pure gourd. So it's gourd seeds. So here you can get, you see, man, smoke, man, it's coming out good, man. That smoke is coming good. So a hellfire is coming out from this one. I tell you, my people, hellfire is coming out. That's the status now. That is the status. Don't be shaking. See now? See the how the nini are doing. Toys it all. So you see, bee farm. I want to get a good video, clear video. There, that is the focus there. Kuna kutingizika. I am with my boys here, showing them how to fry these things. I'm telling my boy they are not as bebo. Never to be carried away by the video. He has to be firm. You need to be firm, man. No shaking. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. So now I wash my seeds here. You can see the maize cob and doing good and keeping good fire, not raining. So my firewood are wet. So this Madi, you are shaking. You are shaking. So I'm teaching my boys here how to be responsible, how to do these things, and how to take camera. So, and there's other guy rapping, which is not allowed in my camera. So I want to dry. I'll dry it up now first. So now let me my guy is shaking. Why are you shaking? Are you a coward? Unaogopa? Unaogopa? Don't be shaking. You see now, you are blocking the camera now. You are forgetting very quickly, but sorry. That's the video now. To make sure you are seeing me. Matthew Martin Modi guy. Uje waambie kitu hapo. Now my seeds are drying now. So I'm drying. This is my boy. So now come closer. Somewhere. So he's coward. He's coward. My boy anaogopa. My boy anaogopa. You want to test? Unataka kuoja? Unataka kuoja? Sawa, rudi tu uketi huko. Rudi tu uketi huko. Usikusumbue. So this is the process. This is the process. So I'm not used to that. So gourd seeds are rich in vitamin C. I think they contain zinc. I'm not sure, man. Zinc, potassium, iron, magnesium, things like that. So they are important in our bodies, you know. They are important in our body. So if you know other importance of these gourd seeds, together with pumpkin seeds, you can tell me. You can tell me the other importance, you know. Have you ever eaten such things? These things? Have you ever done these things? So now I was showing you the importance of gourd. We use ferment milk. We keep our seeds there with hash. we fetch water, you know, we eat the seeds, so they are important. So nothing is going to waste. So the other seeds I've kept them for now planting. We'll be planting them on October. The wrong rains, you see. So now my seeds now are bright up now. So you apply a very little salt. Here we call it salt or mangadi. It's from like mangadi, you know. Mangadi is a lake, so here we mine. Kenya is rich in mining, you see. So we had a little oil. It's called frying, but my it's very hot. My frying pan is very hot. I come to realize that I was speaking with low voice, man. So my boy here is very happy, very happy. For the first time, he will be consuming this. For the first time, he's sulfating. Matthew is sulfating. And you have to take care, man. It can take out your your eyes. Not that. Here. Ta. So like I'm going to do like I'm doing welding. Have you seen people with welding? Having something, they look at it like that. Like that. So you need to reduce the fire. Like this is ready. It is ready, man. It is ready, man. It is ready. So now everything is going good, and my gourd seed are ready now. Only that I applied a lot of oil, man. I forgot the procedure. So we need a big frying pan, a very big frying pan. That's what needed. Not an open like the one I'm using. Now my people, everything is ready. Like upper state. It's like a upper state. You should take care, man. You should take care, man. You not your eyes to go, man. So the business is hopper, my people. Business is hopper. My boys will be feasting. My boys will be feasting. My boys will be happy enough something. See? You see? So my boys are enjoying the feast there. They are enjoying the feast. Peter, iko aje? Na uongee ule ukweli huko. Iko mbaya ama iko sawa? Sawa. Madhi iko sawa? Tamu sana. Ushaikula hiyo? Have you ever eaten this one? No. So that is nice for your holiday now. My boys are on holiday. So they are enjoying the gourd seeds, man. If I get pumpkin, I will also apply for them. I will just come also and buy fish for them from the someday. I will also buy fish for them. Thank you, guys. You see, it is also coming in. You see, you see this one. It was inside. So that's what we do. We use it to wash them. So I'll be leaving it with water for like 3 days. So that was just a demonstration. So that's good for today, my people. Your boy BD Baraka. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. And by doing that, you are making your boy grow. Thank you so much for coming back and checking my videos. So tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend and to come and watch and subscribe at BD Baraka YouTube channel. I wish you a nice day, good night, good morning. According to the time you will be coming across my video, or according to the continent you are. So because you know we differ what with the time. So American time now, they are asleep here. We are at noon. Thank you, my people. Nice video. Let's meet to another video.